Japan, Great Kanto Earthquake 1923. September 1st, 1923. It was a clear morning in Japan when, without warning, the ground began to tremble beneath the bustling cities of Tokyo and Yokohama. Within moments, the tremors grew into a monstrous force. Streets rippled like waves, wooden homes collapsed into piles of splintered debris, and factories crumbled as if made of sand. The Great Kanto earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.9, struck with unimaginable fury. The devastation was immediate, but the quake was only the beginning. As buildings toppled, fires ignited across the cities.